War day number 917. 917 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, August the 28th, 2024, almost end of the month. We have here in this daily newspaper 3 regular puzzles. 2 of them I've already solved. The 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku. So 1 puzzle is left. A binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time. And we have not so good news into today's newspaper, because we have no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper. So only these 3 regular puzzles. Alright? First one, the third one is a binary puzzle number 9172. And before I start, I always counted printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double ones, 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 here no, there no. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Let me see. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. We have here 4 ones. If we place number 5 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And we have here 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the second row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Let me think. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes an O. 2, 3, 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So if I place number 5 there, the 5th one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, come on. I think we need to compare. Well. Come on. This is things wrong. Well, this last column and that column, the second column, let me compare. Empty box 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have a O here, this should be a O. We have a O here, this should be a 1 here. I have the wrong box. Okay, this should be the, yeah, with this one. Alright, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, so the rest are O's, double O here on there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, okay. Need to compare again. Okay. Yeah. 100, yes. This one and the last one. 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay. Well, need to compare again. Well. Question: these two rows or these two columns? Let me see here. Double 1, double O. No, not the columns. How about here? O. Here we have an O. Double O here. No, it should be the rows. Double O. Do we have a double O here? No. O10. O1. O1. This one. And that one. Okay. O 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have 1 here, this should be no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double check 1 2 3 4 5. Correct. In 9 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. In 9 minutes. Well, I've moved the camera. Apologies. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.